Assuming that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $143 and Polis is right now positioned #628 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Star Atlas DAO is 250,439 of 91 with a market cap of $53,679,271. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 117% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Star Atlas DAO is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Polis is down to nearly 223% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations plus estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the Polis coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Star Atlas DAO value expectation outline. Star Atlas DAO cost conjecture recommends a chance of Polis exchanging between today $796 to $46.43 in 2025. Star Atlas DAO Polis is gauged to arrive at a typical cost of $251 toward the finish of 2030. As of the most recent update, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at around $120.43. The negative cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO Polis in 2040 is $138.56, with a likely high of $170.53. Our Star Atlas DAO long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends Polis possibly running somewhere in the range of $199.97 and $227.33. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $17,661. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3,111 with the typical exchanging cost of $768. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2025. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $2,796 in 2025. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $26.43 with the typical cost of $906 all through 2025. Polis value conjecture for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2026 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $317. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $16,643 with the typical exchanging cost of $5.13. Star Atlas DAO Polis value expectation 2027. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at least degree of $2026 in 2027. The Polis cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $9,250 with the typical cost of $22.47 all through 2027. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2028 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is gauged to be at around a base worth of $115. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.39 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.19 in USD. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2029. Star Atlas DAO cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.74 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Polis cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2,000 with the typical figure cost of $0.79. Star Atlas DAO Poli's Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.42 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3.05 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.51 all through 2030. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2031. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2031 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at least value worth of $3.58. The Poli's cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.24 with the typical worth of $3.68. Star Atlas DAO Poli's Value Expectation 2032. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $5.31 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Poli's cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $6.22 with the typical conjecture cost of $5.50. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $7.41 in 2033. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $9.42 with the typical exchanging cost of $7.69 all through 2033. Star Atlas DAO Value Figure 2040. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Atlas DAO cost estimate for 2040, Polis is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $170.53 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Poli's coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $138.56, while the typical cost of the Star Atlas DAO for 2040 is projected to be $148.32. Poli's value estimate for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Star Atlas DAO cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $199.97 and can reach as high as $227.33 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $208.65. Star Atlas DAO Value Figure Facts. What amount will Star Atlas DAO be worth in 2030? As far as value, Star Atlas DAO has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that Polis will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, Star Atlas DAO can stir things up around town cost of $3.05 till 2030. How high can Star Atlas DAO go? The typical cost of Star Atlas DAO Polis could go to $0.2768 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0.19 mark. What is the eventual fate of Star Atlas DAO? The fate of Star Atlas DAO is profoundly subject to the